So the first one, like we mentioned, the actual deal sponsor, we want to analyze their track record, make sure that they've been able to perform on other assets, that they've had some successful exits, and that they really have a team around them. There are some deal sponsors out there where it's a one-man show or where they really don't have that support to be able to execute and grow. And then as far as the vetting process, we're running background checks, we're verifying their net worth and liquidity. We're getting personal guarantees signed up as well. And then looking at credit histories, pretty similar to what a lender would do when they're looking to lend money to an individual for purchasing a property. We're doing a lot of the similar things. So if the sponsor passes all our vetting, then we go into the market. So these are some of the markets that we like: Sunbelt and some Midwest properties, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, just to mention a few. Arkansas, we've done quite a bit there. We love South Dakota, and then the Carolinas is great. We've done deals in Georgia before, and we haven't done anything in Alabama, but possibly would look at a deal there. And then we get more micro. Now I'm just mentioning the states, but then obviously we would dig into the actual city. And the last thing is the business plan. We're looking at about 2 to 4 years to exit. So we want to see what that business plan looks like. We want to make sure that that can be executed in that time period, and that there can be, whether it's a refinance cash out or whether the property is being sold, that we can get the capital back, return it to our investors. We look at the underwriting. We run a lot of stress tests. We go real deep. We don't want to see somebody going super aggressive on rent growth or anything out of the ordinary. Taxes, insurance, those are big two items. We do a lot of research into what that's going to be moving forward and make sure that it makes sense. Like I mentioned, as far as mitigating the risk, we do also get personal guarantees from the sponsors, make sure that we have some trigger points and can step in and have to control the property if needed. Not that that's what we're looking to do in some of this, but if that's what it comes down to, obviously we have the track record and the experience to do so.